What's up, traders? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about the three main reasons why I decided to finally jump off the fence and take a funding challenge. I decided to go against the odds. As we know, most people fail these challenges, and I defied the odds. I was actually able to pass this challenge about a month ago. So I'm going to explain why I finally decided to jump in. And if you are someone who's maybe on the fence thinking about getting funded, or maybe you're struggling to get funded, hopefully something in this video is going to be valuable to you and it'll help you move forward in that direction. If you're new to the videos, if you're new to my channel, my name is Austin Silver. I appreciate you being here. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like videos about day trading, crypto, funding companies, all that stuff. We cover all of that and more here on my channel. Now, before we get into the content, I want to show you the certificate of me getting funded. This is what they give you when you pass phase 2 of their challenges. This was given to me about a month ago. So I also want to show you my results of trading the live account over the last 30 days. I did a video recently going over my first 20 days with the live account. Now that I'm one day away from being able to take my first payout, because you have to trade the live account with them for 30 days before you can take the payout, I figured why not give you guys a quick update here. So this is on FX Blue. This site works really well to track your data. As you can see, my $100,000 account is up about 3.1%. You can see it is a real account, last updated today. My win percentage is up from my last video to 65%, and my average winner is up to 132, getting closer to making my average winner bigger than my average loser. My average loser here at about 137, just $5 bigger than my average winner. So very, very small. And because I'm winning 6.5 out of 10 trades, as you can see, that leads to profitable returns. Very, very proud of my peak drawdown too. Less than 1%, only 0.6%. So now that you see I am funded with My Forex Funds, I have been able to pass both phases. That puts me in a small percentage of traders, and I think this is a good place for us to start this conversation. Most people that take these challenges will fail. So as I continue to trade well, and the other traders in the small percentage of people that are like me continue to trade well, we are going to get paid out with money from people who have failed the challenges. Now, some people have a moral line with that where they say, well, is this really trading if you're getting paid out with the profits from someone else failing? I think it's very similar to trading in that when you're trading your own capital in the market, you're technically taking money from somebody else, whether it's the market maker, whether it's the banks that you're trading with, whether it's another individual. Those are semantics, but either way, whether you're using one of these funding companies or if you're trading your own capital, someone's losing money in order for you to gain. Where that money comes from, if you want to have your gripe with it and kind of stay on the sideline, that's on you. I'm actually hosting a webinar coming up for you guys in a couple of days. Click the link down in the description and make sure you sign up for it. It's totally free. And I'm going to be talking about how I've been day trading so well, specifically using other people's money and specifically trading Bitcoin. As you can see from these statistics, 77% of my trades are on Bitcoin over the last 30 days. So make sure you're there for the free webinar because that's going to give more context to how I can kind of guide you guys to being a part of this small percentage of people that do get funded. But to talk more about the reasons why I decided to pass, or let me say why I decided to go with My Forex Funds and try to pass their challenge, let's go to their website so I can use some of their data as like backing to the idea. So first, when you come to their website, they do have 3 different programs, as you can see up top: the rapid, the evaluation, and the accelerated. In my opinion, because I was looking at My Forex Funds and FTMO, the evaluation was most similar to FTMO. And when I compared the two, this evaluation was easier to pass. So part 1 is that this was most identical to trading my own capital with this evaluation, and that's why I chose this over the rapid or accelerated. And then part 2 is I decided to go with My Forex Funds over FTMO because of their rules, which are down here. Their overall drawdown percentage is bigger. You're allowed a 12% overall drawdown and a 5% daily drawdown, which I like. You also only have to make 8% here with My Forex Funds for the target 1 profit target, phase 1 profit target, and that's 2% less than what you have to do with FTMO. Also here, 5% in phase 2 profit target is less than what it was with FTMO anyway. 5 trading day minimum, I think, is the same for both companies, at least at the time of making this video. All these rules are subject to change, of course. And I'm not getting paid to promote My Forex Funds. As you know, I don't have an affiliate link. I'm not associated with them. I'm an educator. I teach people how to trade. Whether you go with My Forex Funds or FTMO or the 5%ers or Audacity Capital or any of these other companies, that's on you. I will go forward with my own trading and share all of my experience as it comes without ever trying to, making sure I never cross that line of conflict of interest. How would I say that I'm being a good educator if I could get paid just to have you sign up to this company? So I'm not bashing anyone or promoting anyone. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Beyond that, I really liked with my Forex funds the ability to trade crypto, the ability to trade indices, and to diversify into other markets, because traditionally I'm a Forex trader. And this is what I'm going to be talking about on that webinar I told you to sign up for, was that my open-mindedness over the last year really allowed me to excel, to not become that old stagnant Forex trader, just a Forex trader. I'm now just a day trader, and I trade multiple markets. And I think that makes me more well-rounded and more able to take advantage of opportunities to make money. So that's the first main reason, is the structure compared to other companies. The second main reason that I went with My Forex Funds, and this is available from other companies as well, but I liked what I saw with My Forex Funds, was the crypto payouts. I knew James and other guys in ASFX had gotten paid out in crypto already. It was super easy for them. They showed me it. Plus, you can go into the My Forex Fund Discord and you can actually see their payouts. So if you go to their Discord, you can see here in the payout proof section, all of these people have sent screenshots of getting paid out. Look, right here, someone just got paid out $3,000. Someone just got paid out $2,254. And I'm going to be making a video in the next couple of days once I get my first payout from them. Now, they did pay me my phase 1 bonus, but it was only like $160. So I'm not counting that, because of course they would pay me that. I'm going to make a video when I get a real nice payout. They even have a chat down here for the 5-digit club for their big payouts. Like if you take a look, like this one right here, $12,844. If you look, we scroll down and find another one. This one is $12,663. Here's another one, $15,000 on these payouts. It's reassuring to see this. $13,000 here, $12,000 here. And these are not posted from My Forex Funds people. These are posted from real traders, as you can see. So that was the kind of second and more important reason, was the diversification of markets. I loved that idea. So the third reason, the last reason for why I decided to go with My Forex Funds, is because you can take your payouts in crypto and you can scale up to 600K in trading capital between 2 accounts. Right now, that's where the rules stand. And of course, they're subject to change, but for someone like myself who's never used a trade copier, we can even scale up to 300K, because then you would just manage that one 300K account. And if you wanted to get a copier set up, you could do that twice. But for somebody like me that doesn't have any experience with a trade copier, I'm looking to get to the 300K once I get this first payout. So like the next steps for me are get the payout this week, make a video about that, then go buy the 200K demo, pass phase 1, pass phase 2, then get funded with the 200K and combine that with the 100K account that I have. Then I'll be trading 300K with them, and I'm going to go forward from there. So the reasons are kind of all tied together and are slightly similar, but the crypto payouts was big to me. Being able to trade crypto in other markets was a big thing for me. And also just the fact that the profit target is lower versus other competitors in the industry, it kind of makes it a no-brainer to go with My Forex Funds. Now, I'm not promoting them again. I want you to do your own research before you jump in, but for me, it was a no-brainer, and it's been a really great experience so far. I'm going to keep you guys updated, so like I said, make sure you subscribe, that way you don't miss the updates as things go forward. I'm always showing my FX Blue to show you that I'm actually trading. Unlike some people who make videos about this stuff, I'm actually not just talking about it, I'm in the market, I'm being about it. I'm going to make a video for you guys just going over some of the crazy statistics that you see, how many people that show how many people fail these challenges and how many people don't even use a stop loss. It's crazy. So again, make sure you're subscribed, because I've got a lot of cool videos about this experience coming for you guys that I think you're going to enjoy. But I've explained the reasons now. You kind of got an update on the account. Stay tuned to see when I get the first payout. Stay tuned to see what I do with the 200K, and stay tuned for that cool statistics video. And hopefully we'll see you in the webinar coming up in just a few days. So make sure you sign up below. I appreciate you guys very much as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video.